I'm going to share with you a full email marketing tutorial for affiliate marketing. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step guide, so you really want to put aside what you're doing and pay close attention to this video. Now, why should you listen to me on this specific topic? Well, if you don't know, I've been affiliate marketing for over 10 years now, okay, full time. And I've generated over 10,000 leads through email marketing. And I've actually turned those subscribers into multiple six figures with affiliate marketing. And I've actually used this exact strategy to scale affiliate funnels, as I'll talk about a little bit later. Now, here's why you need this information, because without email and without the proper strategies, you're gonna have low conversions. Okay, there's no follow-up and it's inconsistent sales. So understand this, when it comes to affiliate marketing, the fortune is in the follow-up. We want to follow up with people. Most people do not see something in front of them and decide to buy right away. Now, with email, okay, there's higher earnings per click, meaning you need a lot less people to see something because there's more warmth to those people, right? You've built a rapport. And also, it's automated sales. So you can actually set up a sequence and make sales even while you're sleeping. Now, here's the 4-step process, okay, if you're taking notes. Number 1 is segment your list. Okay, a lot of people, they just send the same messages to everyone when they do email marketing. You want to make sure you segment, so you can have a buyer's list, you could have a leads list, okay, you can have a re-engagement list. There's different lists that I'm going to be covering on this channel. Step 2 is crafting subject lines that get opens, meaning you want to really understand how to write compelling, attention-grabbing subject lines that will stand out and allow people to want to click on your email. Step 3 is using the simple AIDA email formula, which I'll touch on a little bit later. This is how to literally take people that open your email and get them to want to buy whatever it is you're promoting. And then step number 4 is building a repeatable affiliate campaign. Now, step number 1, going a little bit deeper into segmentation, there's going to be the 3 main, okay? These are cold leads, warm leads, and then hot leads, okay, or hot subscribers. That's the temperature they're in when they're actually on your list, okay? Some of them are cold, meaning they're not really that ready to buy. Some of them are warm, so they like you, and you just kind of gotta point them somewhere that you recommend. And then the hot ones are ones that have either bought before or they're very ready. Now, minimalist setup for beginners is basically, again, those. Also, I like to do, like I said, a leads list, and then when they buy from me, putting them on a buyer's list. And this impacts automations and broadcasts, okay? So you want to keep that in mind. Now, step number 2 is the subject lines, okay? This is the text that people see when they're in their email inbox. Now, the purpose of this is to get the open. It's getting people to want to open your email. That's the sole goal. And these are the 5 top formulas that I like. 1 is curiosity, okay? So you could write your subject line with email marketing, and you could say, oh my gosh, I can't believe what happened, ... right? So it's building that curiosity. They're going to click on the email to find out what happened. A benefit, okay? So if you're selling something in the email, you could write the exact benefit from opening that email and even getting the product in the subject line. So you could say, secret hack to lose 5 pounds in 7 days, right? That's like the benefit. FOMO is like fear of missing out. So you could say, 5 spots remaining, right? Using scarcity. Proof, this is a type of email headline and subject line where you're basically talking about the proof of the product being effective. So for example, if you're selling a weight loss product, you could say, Sarah lost 7 pounds with this ... And so now you're actually mixing the proof type with the curiosity. And then conversation, you can just say, hey, my friend, how's it going? Right? So you could write it very, conversational so people feel like they can trust you. And then you can actually A/B test, okay? So you can just test 2 different subject lines and see which one gets the most opens and adapt over time. Now, step number 3 is the AIDA formula, okay? It stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. So when you're writing an email, the top part of the email, it's really good to make that the attention part, okay? You want to capture their attention. So a lot of times you can call out their problem directly. So again, let's stick with the weight loss example. If I'm teaching, teaching weight loss information, but maybe selling a weight loss offer, I could start with, are you sick and tired of, feeling sluggish when you walk up the steps, right? Are you sick and tired of looking in the mirror and being unhappy with what you see? Right? So this is the problem that people that want to lose weight are probably dealing with. And by starting with that, it's going to catch their attention. Now, interest, this is where we're going to transition to a story or a pattern interrupt. Now, a pattern interrupt is usually an NLP, neuro-linguistic programming term. It basically means something that's going to snap people out of their normal routine. Okay, so you could tell a story. I could say, hey, the other day I was talking to a friend and they were really struggling with their weight. And they said, they got embarrassed whenever they looked in the mirror and they saw themselves. And now we're going to move to the desire. So this is the actual transformation. This is the product typically that we're going to be selling. So in that story, I could say, they were feeling embarrassed and upset, but then they discovered something that allowed them to actually lose 5 pounds in 7 days, or whatever. And then this is the action part, okay? The last part is the clear single call to action. We're telling them to do one thing. In this example, go to our affiliate link. So if you want to discover how this person did that, be sure you click this link and check it out. Okay, this is a very effective formula. And then building a campaign. Okay, so a welcome structure, a bridge structure, and a promo structure. These are different types of campaigns. Often when people first sign up for your email list, it's good to have a welcome campaign to kind of like warm them up and tell them a little bit about what you do. The bridge, okay, this is starting to bridge the gap where they're more likely to buy. And then the promo structure is like a direct promotion, okay, you actually selling something. Now you want to avoid these mistakes, okay, writing long, unclear emails. People are busy, they have a lot of distractions, so you want to get straight to the point. Also targeting your entire list at once. A lot of people do this. They don't segment. This goes back to step 1, segmentation. And then also ignoring subject line testing. So how do you actually implement this, right? You know the overview, the general idea, but you may still have questions, right? How do you actually set up these campaigns that are going to work? How do you actually start to sell people in the emails, and what do you actually sell them? Right? These are big, important things, because if you're promoting the wrong product, you're not going to be able to get the results you want. Here's how to implement this the fastest and easiest way that I've found. You need structured training. Okay? You need to know exactly what to do, where to click. You need something that teaches skills and systems. Okay? So you don't have to keep doing the same thing over and over. You just use a proven system and something that makes implementation easier. And that's why I recommend Legendary Marketer. Now, at the time of recording this, it's actually very, very affordable to get started. You can actually get started with one of the challenges. This is going to walk you through the actual process. And then if you want to go further, you can. Here's why though, because they give you structured training system. Okay. They've done this for years. They're literally going to show you exactly how to start building a following and how to monetize that following. It's going to tell you products to promote. It's going to tell you exactly how to do it. And it gives you the traffic and skills education, because when you go to the link below and you try this out and you just get started, what you're going to get access to is multiple ways to get people on your email list, okay? Because if you're not getting people to your landing page to collect their email, then it doesn't matter how good your email marketing is. And it's very beginner friendly with blueprints. So again, here's how to get started if you do want to do this. Again, this is optional, but if you want to go faster and easier, this is by far the way to do it. Go to the link below, set up the foundation, okay? And apply today's strategy to it. Now here's how to get started if you do want to try this out. Again, there's going to be a link directly below. When you sign up with Legendary Marketer, you're going to start with one of the challenges. What you want to do is just go through it day by day, and you're going to learn how to set up the foundation to your email marketing business, okay? And then once you do that, once you sign up and you start going through the training, you want to apply today's strategy to your email marketing business, okay? Now here's a recap of what we talked about and my final thoughts. So First off, segmentation. When you start doing email marketing, you really want to segment different people based on their activity and actions. Subject lines, again, choose one of those different types, okay? Curiosity, FOMO, and those are really going to give you great templates. Remember the AIDA formula, okay? Attention, interest, desire, and action. You want to start basically using that formula in most of your emails. And then the campaign structure. So I really hope you got value in this video. If you did, like and subscribe if you haven't. And again, I will leave the link directly below so you can go ahead and try out Legendary Marketer. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.